In the world of modern warfare, few tools are as critical as the machine gun. Whether providing suppressive fire for advancing troops or defending critical positions, these weapons are the backbone of military firepower. But when it comes to the battlefield, not all machine guns are created equal. Enter the M250 caliber and the M240, two iconic heavy hitters that have shaped the outcome of countless conflicts across the globe. The M2, often referred to as Deuce, is a legend in its own right, known for its raw, destructive power against vehicles, aircraft, and fortified positions. Meanwhile, the M240, a lighter and faster alternative, is the go-to for ground troops who need versatility and reliability under pressure. So, do you want to know more about these epic weapons? Let's jump right in. The M250 caliber, affectionately known as Deuce, has a storied history dating back to 1918. It was designed by John Browning and saw extensive use during World War II. Since then, it has become a staple of military forces worldwide, serving in conflicts across the globe. The M2 is primarily a heavy machine gun, often mounted on vehicles, tanks, and even helicopters. Its immense power allows it to engage enemy infantry, light vehicles, and aircraft, making it a versatile weapon in various combat roles. On the other hand, the M240 machine gun is a more modern design, first developed in the 1950s and adopted by the US military in the 1970s. Unlike the M2, the M240 is a general-purpose machine gun, designed for use by infantry, but it is also commonly mounted on vehicles. The M240 is favored for its reliability, firepower, and adaptability in various combat environments, from infantry support to vehicle-mounted roles. When comparing the M250 caliber and the M240, their technical specifications reveal their distinct capabilities and intended roles. The M250 caliber is more expensive, costing around $14,000 to $16,000, with ammo priced at $2 to $5 per round, while the M240 machine gun is more affordable at $6,000 to $9,000, with ammo costing 50 cents to $1 per round. The M250 caliber is a heavy machine gun chambered for the .50 Browning machine gun cartridge, a round known for its exceptional power and range. The M2 has a rate of fire between 450 and 600 rounds per minute and an effective range of about 1,830 meters, with a maximum range of up to 6,800 meters. Weighing around 38 kilograms, the M2 is not designed for portability. It is typically mounted on vehicles or fixed positions, where its weight and size are less of an issue. The M2 can fire a variety of ammunition types, including armor-piercing, incendiary, and tracer rounds, allowing it to engage a wide range of targets, from infantry to lightly armored vehicles, and even low-flying aircraft. In contrast, the M240 is chambered for the 7.62 by 51mm NATO round, a smaller but still powerful cartridge. It has a higher rate of fire, between 850 and 950 rounds per minute, and an effective range of around 1,800 meters when mounted on a tripod. Unlike the M2, the M240 weighs approximately 12.5 kilograms, making it far more portable and adaptable to various roles, including infantry support. The M240 can also fire multiple ammunition types, including ball, tracer, and armor-piercing rounds, though it lacks the sheer firepower of the M2. While the M250 caliber rounds offer greater power and range, The M240's lighter weight and higher rate of fire make it more suitable for infantry operations. This difference in specifications reflects the different battlefield roles each weapon is designed to fulfill. The M250 caliber is primarily used as a heavy support weapon. Its main role is to provide suppressive fire against enemy positions, vehicles, and aircraft. Mounted on vehicles, tanks, or stationary positions, the M2 excels in long-range engagements and is highly effective against light armored vehicles and fortified positions. Its ability to penetrate armor and cause significant damage makes it a crucial asset in defensive operations or when dealing with threats beyond the reach of lighter weapons. For example, in convoy protection, the M2 is often mounted on Humvees or other vehicles, providing a powerful deterrent against enemy ambushes. In contrast, the M240 machine gun is a more versatile weapon, designed for a wide range of combat scenarios. It is often used by infantry as a squad automatic weapon, providing suppressive fire for advancing or retreating troops. Its portability allows it to be quickly deployed in various environments, whether in open terrain, urban settings, or defensive positions. The M240 is also vehicle-mounted in many cases, but its role is typically to engage enemy infantry rather than vehicles or aircraft. Its higher rate of fire makes it effective in close to medium-range engagements, where rapid suppression of enemy forces is critical. While the M2 dominates in long-range and anti-vehicle roles, the M240's flexibility and portability make it the weapon of choice for infantry support. Both the M2 and M240 bring significant advantages to the battlefield, but they also have their limitations. The M250 caliber excels in firepower and range. Its ability to destroy vehicles, penetrate armor, and engage targets at long distances makes it a fearsome weapon in the right hands. However, its weight and size are major drawbacks. The M2 requires a crew to operate effectively, and its lack of mobility makes it less suitable for rapid deployment or dynamic combat scenarios. On the flip side, the M240 offers greater portability and a higher rate of fire. Its lighter weight allows it to be carried and deployed by a single soldier, and it can be used in a wide range of combat roles. However, the M240's smaller caliber limits its effectiveness against armored targets and at extreme ranges. While it is ideal for infantry engagements, it cannot match the M2's power in certain situations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.